This could be very discombobulated and messy. Sorry. What's up, mi gente? This is Georgie Miller and welcome to the Fashion Beauty in the Mix. So I am so excited that you're here with me and watching my channel. And for today's video, I am going to talk about makeup for guys. Actually, can be for girls too. We are all inclusive here at Fashion Beauty in the Mix. This makeup is very basic, just to enhance our features and hide some of our imperfections that we don't just like to show. I have this huge stage over here that I'm showing on camera. I'm a little self-conscious about it, but I want to be very natural. I just want to keep it as my skin as clean as possible, so you can actually see what my skin looks like without any product. So let's cut to the chase. I want to open my makeup bag. I have my set of brushes separated. So in this video, you're going to actually learn again a basic foundation for your skin, or tinted moisturizer, powder. Then we're going to go into a little bit of basic contouring, which you're going to love. This contouring technique that I'm going to show you here, it will take you just like a minute. Man or woman can do this technique if you want to make your nose look a little slimmer, enhance your cheekbone area, and with one product, one brush, you can do it all. So that's going to be a technique I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. Alright, so let's start. Let's not waste any time. I always recommend, and I'm a big believer on protecting your skin before you put any makeup. This one here was recommended by my dermatologist. It is by Skin Better Science. You don't have to use this one specifically. You can use any SPF. So let's start this tutorial. I'm going to start actually applying this SPF. By the way, it is night over here, but I want to show you about all the steps. Oh, there's light. Now, here I'm using Simple Human mirror. It's right over here. I absolutely love it. This is foundation. This one, it is by Lancome Tint Idol Ultra. This one I use 220 Buff C. It is actually 24 hours and it's transfer resistant. So if you're looking for a new foundation, this is just a classic Tint Idol Ultra by Lancome. I've been using this product for over 10 years and I love it. This is just one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best foundations out there. Not too expensive and it really does the job. So if you're like me, you're a guy and you like to have good skin, if you're going on a date, impress a guy, impress a girl, who cares? You want to look good and feel confident. So doesn't mean that you need to wear makeup to be confident. But if you have some imperfections and some zits, you want to look good. So here it is. Here I have my foundation. I'm going to start applying. Come on, light. There we go. Just dot it. I actually do not need to wear a foundation brush. I used to be a makeup artist, so I have many brushes and I like to wear my brushes. However, if you're in a rush, you can just go boom boom and just rub it in. Not a big deal. Kind of like my foundation brush. This one is by Christian Dior, and I like the brush because you can actually reach little corners that you can actually do not get in with your fingers. If you're a girl, if you have long nails, you know it's very hard. So here I'm just spreading the foundation with my brush. If you want to look natural, blending is essential, and do not overdo with your foundation or concealer because it will look cakey. So if you want a natural look, just a little bit to kind of balance your skin tone. Balance your skin. The corners. You see, that's why I like the brush, because you can actually go in the little corners. If you have a beard like me, very easy. Under your nose, these corners. There you go. All right, foundation is done. Now After I finish with my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra, I'm going with a concealer. This one I believe is discontinued and I love it. It's by Under Eye Corrector by It Cosmetics. Even though that it was great for under eye, I like to use it in other parts of the face and it will not break me out, which is awesome. And I was so disappointed that you cannot get this product any longer. So I'm gonna be looking for a new concealer. If you have any recommendations, leave your comment below for some recommendations because I'm on the hunt for a new concealer. But in the meantime, I have some with this one. And what I'm doing, sorry. All right, so what I'm doing here is concealing darkness on my face. So if you have any little, if aging starts to show on your skin, obviously the wrinkle or the sagginess creates a shadow. So what I'm doing is trying to cover a little of that shadow with this concealer. This is a little bit lighter than my skin tone because again, light plumps, it looks like you're plumping your skin forward. If it's dark, it will make it more hollow and you don't want that. You can also use an illuminator in those shadowy areas. But we're talking about what I do, and this is my technique, and this is what I do every day. And I get so many compliments around, so like, okay, thank you for saying that I have good skin because I don't. So the beauty of makeup. Now this little monster I'm trying to cover, and it's drying out because I've been using some benzoyl peroxide. And gotta tell you guys, this sit is like I'm like a unicorn, right in the middle of my forehead and huge. I just be crazy. But guess what? I gotta live with it. It will go away in a few days. I put some antibiotic ointment treatment and it works really well. So just wait. I have a little redness, so again, concealer, go into spots. Don't put a lot of concealer, just target the areas that you want to cover. So I did a little bit right down here, here, and here, and of course where I have the little breakouts. That's done. By the way, this is a little brush by Bobbi Brown. I have a specific one for concealer. Couldn't find it, it is somewhere, so I use the eyeliner brush, but because I want to put very little areas, it works for me. If you are a professional makeup artist, please don't kill me, because you're supposed to use the brushes for what they're for. But hey, if you can fake it until you make it, that brush works. I still feel that I have a little darkness in here, and I like to apply just a little bit more. This is a very creamy, very light, almost like a serum type of concealer, so it's not gonna cake, and it's gonna actually help a lot with the darkness under my eye. This one is by Sisley. I mentioned before, I love the products. And this concealer by Sisley, it's in a tube like this, really fading, so I can't even see the actual name for it. This is shade 4. Quick tip: never rub too much under your eye area. You wanna press. There you go. The more you press and you buff your foundation with a brush like this. I didn't buff it today because I didn't put a lot, but always go back and trying to buff as much as you can, because again, you want to look, you have no effort, very natural, very simple. So I'm using Estee Lauder setting powder. As a matter of fact, this product can be used alone with no foundation. I will give you a little bit of coverage, and it works great. A little bit of blush in my cheek area. Oh, I got a message. do that. Now, the way that I like to apply this blush, this is a very, this is by Hourglass. The color is very, very light, so it doesn't have a lot of pigment. What I like about it is like, it looks so natural that when I go outside, it looks like being kissed by the sun. So it is not too much, it's not too pretentious, I would say. So get a light color that is not too heavy pigmented and you're not gonna mess it up. So you guys, that's a great way to not look overdone. This product here, it is a terracotta by Guerlain. They make amazing bronzers. I used to actually work for Guerlain a few years ago. So if you're looking for a bronzer that it lasts, that is a good quality, that is not gonna look too orangey and fake, Guerlain makes a very good one. On this type of brush, again, this is by Guerlain. And very quick contouring, it will take 20 seconds. You're gonna go around your nose with a vertical line, make it longer. So, very quick tip. When you're going to apply your bronzer, do a V shape. So you start here, go around your temple and go up. So you are creating a V shape like that. Go again, like this, up, V, then right by the hairline, you're going to blend. And then the rest of the product, you kind of like spread it all around. Don't forget your neck in here on the sides, like that. Ooh, and that's it, see? Easy breezy. Now, if you want to really look more contour, especially for special occasions or the nighttime, we're gonna make another video on just contouring. We're gonna go into very detail and we're gonna use the right brushes so you can actually see a whole transformation. This video is just to give you a quick overlook on how to look natural. So we're almost done. I'm gonna finish with a little bit of more blush. This one I'm using Yves Saint Laurent. YSL makes very good blushes, by the way. Very, very good quality. You see, just to give like a little sun-kissed look. So that's why I like to have a little bit of that pink in my cheeks. Plus pink makes you look younger. So try to avoid blushes that they are just brown because I think we all want to look a little bit younger, right? I like to enhance my eyes. My color is more like a hazel green, but just by adding a little bit of eyeliner on the top of my lash line, it makes my eyes pop a little bit more. So what you do is just put a little bit of eyeliner on top of your lash line. Again, it's very subtle, but you want to look as natural as possible. And there you have it. A little lip balm. My lips are always dry. Now you don't want to put a lot. This looks like you ate fried chicken. Like me right now. And I overdid it a little bit, but this is a very good lip balm and it is by, again, Sisley. Did I mention that I like their products? Yes, I do. This is just my very quick makeup for the day. Very quick recap. SPF, either moisturizer or whatever you do as a sunblock. Use that. You do your foundation. Again, there is a lot of foundations out there. This is the one that I'm recommending. This is by Lancome Tint Idol Ultra. Amazing, amazing. You're gonna be really happy with this one. And again, if you have any other questions or if you have any other suggestions, please send your comments below because I will go ahead and buy it and give it a try. I'm a makeup junkie. You can see I do have tinted moisturizers by Laura Mercier. This one is by It Cosmetics. This one is by L'Oreal. So I have different options when it comes to my foundation. So my top favorite is still this one over here. I absolutely love it. And my second favorite, if I don't feel like wearing foundation, this tinted moisturizer by Laura Mercier. It is oil-free and it is the bomb. By the way, both of them are oil-free, so it's great. So foundation, then you do your corrector, which is right over here. Extra concealer. This again is by Sisley. This is by It. So we have that. Then you do your setting powder. I use Estee Lauder today. And then do a little bit of, again, light blush, not too heavy pigmented, by Hourglass. Love that. And then you follow with your bronzer. So you use your terracotta. I use terracotta. You can use whatever bronzer that you want, but try not to get it when it's too much orange undertone. Just wanna be on the lookout for that. And then it's just me. I like to add a little bit of extra blush at the end, and I did by YSL. Do not forget to do a little bit of eyeliner on top of your lashes if you want to create a little bit more drama to your eye. Again, this does not look overly made. I feel that I look fresh. I gotta tell you guys, this will not take you over 5 minutes to do, and the more you do it, the faster it will get. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. It is actually my very first makeup tutorial video, so I just wanted to share what I do on a day-to-day basis. I am so glad that you're here with me, enjoying my videos. We're doing so good in YouTube, and I cannot wait to keep growing my community and keep filming videos and share my knowledge in the industry. This channel, Fashion Beauty in the Mix, is going to cover a lot of different things. It's gonna cover obviously fashion, beauty, skincare, fragrances. Also, we're going to be doing some outdoor tips, home decor. That's where the mix name comes from. So we got fashion beauty, which is and covers all of this, and in the mix, that what I'm gonna give you is a little twist to my channel, and we're gonna be doing a lot of everything. It's a lifestyle type of channel, so you will learn about different products. I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews from some of my favorite products and finds from different places. So yeah, so I am so excited of this new venture. I hope you're enjoying my videos so far, and please don't forget to comment. I want to be engaged with all of you, and eventually when I hit to the 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to 1,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to start doing some affiliation programs out there, and I like to give away stuff, so I will start doing some freebies for you guys, for my subscribers and my community here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. You hit the like button right over there, and if you have not done so and you think that I'm worth watching, please subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of different fun stuff out there. I'm gonna be traveling as well, so I'm gonna be doing some travel reviews, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So thank you, gracias so much again for being here with me, and I will see you all again here on my channel. Blessing, and have a great day or night, whatever day of the day is out there. Love you all.